Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your GoDaddy account. All right. So just keep in mind that you cannot request refunds once you close your account. So I would highly suggest that you cancel all of your subscription before deleting your account. Okay. Account closures can't be reversed as well. Once GoDaddy deletes your data and information, there's no way to retrieve it. Okay. So again, as I've said earlier, just go ahead and cancel or delete all of your plans or subscriptions. Just go to the top right, click on your profile, click on renewals and billing. Okay. Wait for the page to load. And once it loads, just click on this description button right here or checkbox. It will go ahead and select all of your subscriptions. Okay. Now, once all this is selected, you can go ahead and click on 3 dots right here and then click on delete my product, or you could go ahead and cancel auto renewal. But it's best to delete the product as you will be deleting your account. Okay. Once everything is done right here, you can now go ahead and click on your profile once more. Now go ahead over to account settings. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, click on contact preference right here in the left panel. Click on it. Once done, scroll all the way down and you will find the account section. Okay. It says here, at your request, we will permanently close your account. Just click on it. Okay. Once done, just follow the simple prompts from here. Tick on the tick box, click on close account. And that is it. That's how you delete your GoDaddy account. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.